How to fix all warning lights came on in-car issue. One or two dashboard light warnings do not mean your vehicle might stop working or pose any considerable danger to your short-distance driving. However, longer trips with these indicators on are not advised, so treat the problems well in advance. Here are a few steps you may take if you want to do some early troubleshooting on your own. 1. Visual inspection. Check the engine bay visually for any disconnected or loose hoses, frayed wiring, or other damaged parts. A short circuit or a fault with the fuse box might be the source of an electrical system issue. Another technique involves inspecting the fuses and relays. 2. Check the battery connections. Check the battery connections first to make sure they are clean and tight. Multiple warning lights can be activated by electrical problems brought on by loose or corroded connections. 3. Check the fluid levels. Ensure that all necessary fluids, including transmission fluid, engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, are at the correct levels. Warning lights might be activated by low fluid levels. Any fluids that are noticeably low might be a symptom of a leak or another issue that needs to be addressed. 4. Scan the error codes. The onboard diagnostic system, OBD2, in the majority of contemporary cars is capable of storing error codes for a number of different automotive systems. To get these codes, you may use an OBD2 scanner, which you can either buy or rent from an auto parts store. To read the codes, connect the scanner to the OBD2 connector. The connector is often found under the dashboard. These codes might offer useful details about the particular systems or components that are having problems. 5. Test the battery and charging system. If the battery is thought to be the root of the problem, you may check its voltage using a multimeter. When the engine is off, a good battery should register approximately 12.6 volts. The alternator should output a voltage measurement of between 13.5 and 14.5 volts while the engine is operating. The measurements may point to a problem with the battery or charging mechanism if they are much lower or higher. 6. Replace any faulty components. Replacement may be required if certain components, a broken sensor, defective module, or damaged wiring are found to be the root of the issue for most of the time. If you are unfamiliar with performing vehicle electrical repairs, it is typically advised that you seek expert help. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.